How to add overlays in CapCut PC. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to overlay videos on top of each other, step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open CapCut PC and create a new project and import the resources. Once imported, drag your main video down to the timeline. Now take your second video and drag it above the first one on the timeline. This is what creates the overlay. You'll notice the top video is now layered over the main clip. If you can only see one video, don't worry. Click on the preview window and adjust the size or position of the overlay video. You can also resize it, move it to a corner, or place it anywhere on the screen using the transform controls. If needed, go to the Properties panel and adjust scale and position for more precise control. You can even reduce the opacity under blending settings if you want a transparent overlay effect. And that's it. That's how you can add overlays in CapCut PC to create professional-looking videos.